Hey guys, it's Larry Greenberg, and today we're going to take a look at the iPad application Drawit. Drawit is available in the iTunes App Store for $1.99. So there are a lot of drawing applications for the iPad. What Drawit seeks to do is combine several of the different styles of drawing applications into one interface. When you launch the app, you're immediately brought to the main menu. The menu looks as if it was drawn on the screen, and you have three different options to choose from. The first is freestyle. In freestyle mode, you have a blank piece of paper which you can draw directly on. You can choose the color of your pen from a variety of different colors, and you can adjust the size of the pen. You can also change the color of your background. There's three different colors to choose from. And you can add text if you wish. There's a lot of different text fonts from which to choose from. If you don't want to draw on the blank piece of paper, you can choose a photo and draw on it. When you're done, you can simply erase, or you can choose to save. Completely up to you. If you don't save it, your drawing will not be retained, and when you come back to the app, you'll start with a brand new blank canvas. So in this area, there are also some fun sections, and in the fun section, there are some connect to dot type games. Great for the kids. They can use their finger to connect the dots, whatever color they want, whichever line, width they want. They can use that to play connect the dots. There's some other games as well, like Hangman, where you can just draw on the screen and, make your own Hangman games. There's also tic-tac-toe. This line game is one of my kids' favorite games. It basically, creates a grid where each player makes a line, and then when the player fills in the square, they put their initials in. So that's the first section of the app. You can also choose to draw on graph paper. Pretty straightforward here. You just have, what looks like graph paper. You can again draw on the screen. What's helpful here is this app does have kind of a snap to grid option where if you take your two fingers and you place them down at the same time, it'll actually create a straight line, if I can do it straight, that you can actually use to make a graph. So kind of cool there, it makes a perfectly straight line. Then you can add numbers and hashes, whatever you want to do to create your graph. Again, same thing here. You can change color, you can change the thickness of the lines and all that good stuff. You can add text here as well. The last option is drawing on a notepad. This just looks like the iPad's notepad. You can write, handwritten notes. You can also insert text in here. Again, choosing from a variety of fonts. When you're ready to type, simply type what you'd like in there, hit done. You can actually grab it and move it around anywhere you want. When you're done, you simply hit the done editing text. So that's a brief run through of Drawit. Again, no need to have 3 or 4 different iPad drawing applications on your iPad. This one kind of solves that problem for you and combines, really, I think, 4 apps into one. You've got the freestyle, you've got the graph paper and the notepad. That's 3, plus the addition of all those fun games that your kids will probably enjoy. And that really makes it 4 apps for the price of 1. Well worth it for me. Well worth the $1.99 price tag. So check out Drawit in the App Store. I will put a link to it in the description. If you have any questions about it or anything else, feel free to drop me a line. Otherwise, you have a great day.